Hello students, let's do some more 1 mark questions for your board exams. If 1 0 of polynomial is given 3x square plus 8x plus k. If 1 0 is reciprocal of the other, find the value of k. This is a quadratic polynomial. We have two zeros. Let first is alpha and other is reciprocal 1 upon alpha. We have to find the value of a. Bachche, we know sum of zeros is minus b upon a. And what is product of zeros? Product of zeros is c upon a. What is the general form? General form is ax square plus bx plus c. It is the general form of quadratic equation. Now we are taking this term, product of zeros. What is c we have? K upon a is 3 equals to product of zeros alpha into 1 by alpha, that is 1. What is the value of k? K is equals to 3. For what value of k does the pair of equations x minus 2y equals to 3 and 3x plus ky equals to 1 have unique solution? These are linear equations. Linear equations have unique solution if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. We have these two equations. As per these, general form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. As per this, what is a1? a1 is 1, coefficient of x. What is b1? Minus 2, coefficient of y. And what is c1? Taking this on the left hand side, c1 is minus 3. A2 is 3, B2 is k and C2 is minus 1. Now check, since the equations have unique solution, A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. What is A1? 1 by 3 is not equals to minus 2 by k. Cross multiply. K is not equals to 3 into minus 2, that is k is not equals to minus 6. But we have to find the value of k. K can be any real number except minus 6. Or you can write your answer as k equals to r minus 6. Means except minus 6, every real number can be the value of k. If cos alpha plus sec alpha equals to 5, find the value of cos square alpha plus sec square alpha. We will take cos alpha plus sec alpha equals to 5. It is given. Squaring both sides. We have cos alpha plus sec alpha whole square equals to 5 plus square. And bachche, what is a plus b whole square? Is a whole square plus b whole square plus 2 into a into b. We will get cos square alpha, cos alpha whole square or cos square alpha, one and the same thing, plus sec square alpha plus 2 into cos alpha into sec alpha equals to 25. 5 square is 25. Now bachche, cos square alpha plus sec square alpha plus 2 into cos alpha. What is sec? Reciprocal of cos. In place of sec alpha we can write 1 upon cos alpha equals to 25. Cancel. Only 2 is left. So what will be the value of cos square alpha plus sec square alpha? 25 minus 2, that is 23 is our answer. If 1 0 of polynomial x square minus 4x plus k is 2 plus root 3, find the value of k. Polynomial is x square minus 4x plus k. 2 plus root 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. What does this mean? This means if we put the value of x as 2 plus root 3, the value of this polynomial will become 0. In place of x we can put 2 plus root 3 whole square minus 4x, 4 into 2 plus root 3 plus k. will be equals to 0 since this is the 0 of this polynomial. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 square plus root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 minus 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 4 into root 3 minus 4 root 3. We have minus sign outside. Minus into plus minus. Plus k equals to 0. 2 square is 4 plus root 3 into root 3 3 plus 4 root 3 minus 8 minus 4 root 3 plus k equals to 0. 4 root 3 4 root 3, one positive one negative, both cancelled. 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 8 minus 1 plus k equals to 0. And what is the value of k? K is equals to 1. If alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial x square plus 5x plus k, we have two zeros, alpha and beta. Alpha minus beta is given. We have to find the value of k. First we know what is sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is minus b upon a. And what is product of zeros? C upon a. Now check. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta will be equals to minus b upon a. What is a in this case? 1 coefficient of x square. What is b? 5 coefficient of x. And what is c? Constant, that is k. What will be the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a. Minus 5 upon 1, that is minus 5. Alpha minus beta is given 3. We have two equations. What we will do? Add this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Alpha plus beta equals to minus 5 and alpha minus beta equals to 3. Alpha and alpha, 2 alpha, beta positive negative cancel equals to minus 2. What is the value of alpha? Minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. Now what will be the value of beta? Alpha minus beta equals to 3. Minus 1 minus beta equals to 3. 3 on the left hand side and beta on the right hand side. Beta will be equals to minus 4. Now we have to find the value of k. What is product of zeros? That is alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. What is alpha? Minus 1 into beta is minus 4 equals to c upon a. C is k. K upon 1. Minus 4 into minus 1. 4. Therefore, the value of k is 4. Find HCF and LCM of 12, 36 and 160 by prime factorization. First step, find the prime factors of these numbers. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 3 1s are. 12 can be written as 2 की part 2 into 3. Next is 36. 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. 36 can be written as 2 की part 2 into 3 की part 2. Next is 160 divide by 2, you get 80, again with 2, 40, again with 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5 and again 5. Now 160 is equals to 2 की part 5 into 5. Now what will be HCF? What is HCF बच्चे? HCF is smallest power of common ratio. Which number is common? Only 2 is common. And what is smallest power? 2 की power 2. Therefore HCF is 4. Now what is LCM? Greatest power of every factor. We have 3 factors, 2, 3 and 5. Greatest power of 2 is 2 की power 5 into 3 की power 2 into 5. Clear? 2 की power 5 into 3 की power 2 into 5. That is 1440. This is our LCM and 4 is our HCF. For what value of P are 2P minus 1, 13 and 5P minus 3 are the consecutive terms of AP. We have three terms. First is 2P plus 1, then 13, then 5P minus 3. These are three terms of AP. Let this is A1, A2 and A3. It is given that it is an AP. It means what is common difference? A2 minus A1, and D can also be equals to A3 minus A2. This must be also be a common difference. What is A2 minus A1? 13 minus 2P plus 1, and it will be equals to A3 minus A2, 5P minus 3 minus 13. We have 13 minus 2P minus 1 equals to 5P minus 3 minus 13. 13 minus 1, 12 minus 2P equals to 5P minus 16. Taking P on the right hand side and 16 on the left hand side. 12 plus 16 equals to 5P plus 2P. 16 and 12, 28 equals to 7P and P equals to 28 by 7, that is 4 is the value of P. Find the values of K such that the quadratic equation x square minus 2kx plus 7k minus 12 equals to 0 has equal roots. If a quadratic equation has equal roots, what does this mean? That its discriminant is 0. And what is the formula for taking out discriminant? B square minus 4ac. It should be equals to 0. Now bache, what is the general form for quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. What is a in this case? Coefficient of x square, which is 1. What is b? Coefficient of x, that is minus 2k, and c is constant 7k minus 12. Now what is d? B square minus 4ac minus 2k whole square minus 4 into 1 into 7k minus 12, and this is equals to 0. We have 4k square minus 28k plus 48 equals to 0. Taking 4 common, k square minus 7k plus 12 equals to 0. Splitting the middle term, k square minus 3k plus 4k plus 12 is equals to 0. Taking 4 on this side, the whole term, this 4 becomes 0. 0 by 4 is 0. We have k square minus 3k minus 4k plus 12 equals to 0. Taking these two, k is common, k minus 3 minus 4 is common, k minus 3 equals to 0. Two factors we have. One is k minus 3 and other is k minus 4 is equals to 0. The value of k will be, one is 3 and other is 4. So we have two values of k, that is 3 and 4, when the equations will have equal roots. If mean of 5 observations, we have 5 observations, the mean is 11. We have to find the value of x. What is the formula for mean is sigma xi upon n. Mean will be, sigma means sum of all the terms. We have 5 terms, that is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8 divided by n. How many terms do we have? 5. Mean is given, that is 11 equals to 5x plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is 20 upon 5. Taking 5 on the left hand side, 11 into 5, 55 equals to 5x plus 20. 20 on the left hand side. 55 minus 20 equals to 5x. 35 equals to 5x. And x will be 35 by 5, that is 7. Find the roots of quadratic equation. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. Coefficient of x square is root 2. into constant is 5 root 2. Root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. That is 10. Factors of 10. 5 2s are 10. We can take root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x. 2x plus 5x, 7x. Plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. What is common with these two terms? 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Therefore, root 2x is common with both the terms. What is left here? X plus root 2 in second term. In these two terms, what is common? 5. What is left? X plus root 2 equals to 0. We have two factors, x plus root 2 and root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Now, either x plus root 2 equals to 0 or root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. X will be equals to minus root 2. This is 1 root and root 2x equals to minus 5 and x is equals to minus 5 by root 2. These are two values of x.